Hello, today I'll be making baked cauliflower cake, and I pre-boiled the cauliflowers for 2-3 minutes or so. We need like 7-8 eggs. Depends how many people you are. I'm cooking for 6 people. And this is the grated Parmesan that I'm gonna be finishing the cake. Parsley, fresh parsley, cottage cheese, cherry tomatoes, and I have here fresh onions and peppers that I sauteed for a little bit. And this is, stay tuned. So I'm going to be adding the salt, pepper, the cayenne pepper, just a little bit. Oops. The dried parsley. I always like to use parsley. And I'm going to use fresh parsley as well. Mix everything together. Cheese. And make this, consistent with the eggs. Quite easy to pour after. We're going to equally spread the cauliflower. So I'm going to just finish one so you guys see what I'm doing. Just fill this up nicely. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon. I'm going to do the tomatoes. I'm going to be adding the eggs with the cheese and then finishing with the Parmesan cheese. I'm adding a little bit of olive oil, just a little bit, because this has basically no oil or butter. And now we're going to fill in with the egg, the cheese, and the parsley. I'm going to add the Parmesan cheese before I put in the oven. And I'm going to put it in the oven for 25-30 minutes, depends. Stay tuned. Hello. This is the result of the baked cauliflower cake, and it came out delicious and it smells amazing. I hope you guys try it. Bon appetit.